Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. IGC is looking like an amazing stock for today. It's already jumped. I want to enter just over the 120 and it's around 10 cents stop, 10 cents risk. I'm not going to move my entrance today. I'm going to wait. If it's going to enter, great. If it's not, great as well. I'm good with it. And if it's not, I'm going to kind of dump this stock for my sonar for now and see what will happen. Okay, it's still playing. You can see that there is resistance, there is where to go with it. So I'm waiting. Okay. So 8 cents stop, basically. Actually, I'm going to keep it at 10. So 10 cents stop. I'm waiting to see if it can or cannot reach the 20. And it did. I'm in. So I want to take my partial one just over the 30, so 31, 32 is the stop. Yeah, and I'm going to put my stop in 10:10 basically, to give it a few more seconds. Now I'm a minute and a half before 7, so I'm waiting for the 7. I'm not doing anything, I'm just waiting for the 7. That might be a mistake to enter just before the 7. I should have waited for the 7 o'clock, but it's already done, so there's nothing I can do here except of waiting and hope that it's going to continue the volume of 10 to 6. And now it's looking bad. Now it's really looking bad. And here's the volume of 7. Come on, come on, go up, go up, go up, go up. Come on. And that's not good. Come on, stop it. Stop. Stop. I did not submit my stop yet, so that's bad. Okay, so I'm putting it on the 8. Maybe cost me a bit more, but it's looked like it found the bottom on the support. And I hope that it's not going to crack it. And going up. Come on. Come on. If it's going to reach the 130, it's going to reach the 145 as well. So I'm going to wait for it there. Hopefully I can get it. But still fighting. It's a red candle, and that's not the candle I want to start the trade from 7. Not a lot I can do, just wait. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on. Leave the fucking 08. Depressing to start a stock that way. That's not a way to start a good trade. Really not a good way. Come on. Bugging me. That's what it's doing. Just bugging me. Really don't like it. Come on. And I'm out. And it's cracking and it's going, right? It was too short for me. I thought I'm going to, I saw an interest, I didn't. I entered before the 7 should have done, and I finished with $200 loss. And look at that, when the volume at 9:30 came, it's kind of fire up, and that's about all. So I did lost here, but that's what I can do for now. Thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a good one.